Okay, let's go.
We're gonna try another cactus today. Everybody in the Philippines know what this is, but not everybody know it's a cactus, dragon fruit. It's rare here. It's rare here in Scandinavia. It's delicious, I love it. Before that, we're gonna take a little glass of wine, a little relaxing wine. I think we are allowed. Are we? So I'm gonna open this here. Let's see, don't get hit here. That was powerful. Oh, a little bit of rain. I hope it's not gonna get me. Like that. Alright. And now we're going to try the dragon fruit. But first, we're going to try the wine. That was fruity. Let's see now, how do we cut it? Cut there. See, go to the fruit. Go close to the fruit.
Wait.
We cut there. And eat the whole dragon fruit. This is one of my favorites. Oh my god, look at that. That's like an alien egg or something. I don't know what it is. You know, in Sweden we have the most boring fruits. Apples, pears, but we have good berries. This, something else.
Hey, it's white.
It's white. It can be white.
Yeah, but last time red.
Oh, look how many seeds there is in there. Jesus Christ, that's... And these seeds are not like... This is almost like small... I don't know what, sesame seeds or something. Let's try it. Let's take a piece. Cheers. Grilling time. Now, I did a chili mayo, some kind of chili mayo. I did the mayo myself, of course. And we got some grilled pork and hot dog and corn, but that's not done yet. We're gonna try this with the chili mayo. So we do like this.
Mukbang. We call it a mukbang in the Philippines. Only you eat.
I think we cut it here. We'll just cut it and we can just eat it and dip it in the sauce. So what we have now, we have dragon fruit, a delicious wine, a delicious sauce, meat. I mean,
It's the one.
first time I try it, it was good. Okay, let's try the meat now. Yeah. Take this, dip it in the sauce, dippy dip. Oh my
They're
god.
good. Hello.
Oh, that was good. It was almost too good. Oh my god. What's that?
Sausage.
Handmade sausage. I didn't do that. How was that with the sauce? I like beef, I like steak, I like fish, but when it comes to pork, I think I like this the best. And this is actually the cheapest part, but it's so fatty and juicy, but it's only the best if you grill it. If you fry it, not so much. If you grill it, this is so juicy, it's crazy. Just like this, I don't need much else than that. Mmm. Oh my god. The fat like explodes into the meat when you grill it.
Mm.
What do you think about the meat?
Delicious. Fatty.
In a good way. He's mad now because I take the last part I can see.
Nay!
Mm.
Nay. No. We ate now.
Just take it. You can take it. Just to sit. No. Have this relaxing break in the garden. It's really what it's really necessary. So no carbs, just fruit and meat, and of course, yeah, there is sugar in the wine, but you know, that's a small amount. Mm. We have the corn. It's a little burnt, so I don't know if I'm gonna show that. But, it's gonna be good. I'm gonna try the fruit. We're eating all the fruit there. It's so smooth also. It's like it's hard to compare what it tastes really like, because sometimes, like the other cactus, it tastes like a pear. This it's hard. It's hard to say exactly. It's a watery taste though. Mm. Try the corn. Mm.
It's burn.
It's burned a little bit. It's good. You know, we fried for the evening also, but I think we're gonna eat it all.
Oh.
Yeah. So have a nice weekend.
Bye bye.